Out there, brother. Sir. Thank you, sir. I'm here for two reasons, people. I'm honored to be here once again in CPW, the greatest wrestling organization going today.
Well, it's the only thing that doesn't know the difference between CPW and CPA.
I've come to see my great wrestling fans in the greatest wrestling state in the Union, West Virginia.
Well, he's got that right. We have some intense fans here.
And I'm here to see and talk to the highwayman. You see, he put out a very close friend of not only myself, but all of you all, Shane Shadows. You know, the commissioner sent me a tape last week, and I witnessed with my own eyes what the highwayman did to Shane Shadows. He not only foul drive Shane once, twice, but 3 times. This wrestling move in our profession is barred, Mark, in over half the states in our union. This is a very, very vicious thing to do to another pro wrestler. In the 60s, I had a feud with Pepper Gomez in Dallas, Texas, and I put Pepper out for 6 months. Jerry Lawler in the 80s, yes, he broke someone's neck. This is a very, very vicious thing to do. And I'm here tonight on my friend that is in the hospital, I understand. My friend, Shane Shadows. And let's everybody give Shane Shadows a hand, guys. You know,
not here tonight.
Over 40 years, I had over 10,000 wrestling matches. I drove 4 million miles getting to the matches, people. So I know all about professional wrestling. And that's a very, very bad thing the highwayman did. Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have one more round for handsome Jimmy Valiant.
Oh boy, here comes that familiar music. And that is not the music of Jimmy Valiant. There he is, the highwayman, Leslie Leatherman, on his way to the ring.
Well, clearly, you know, he has some issues with what Valiant was saying, you know. I mean, you say about, you know, states in the Union that have barred the foul out, it's still legal in West Virginia, so Leslie didn't know wrong.
Well, he did it after the match, for crying out loud. It actually wasn't. Well, Leatherman, I don't know. I don't know what he's up to. I think he's mocking Jimmy Valiant. He's doing a little dance. He doesn't seem very remorseful, I'll say that. He didn't seem very remorseful when he was interviewed after foul driving Shane Shadows 3 times.
Yeah, come on, Shane Shadows. It's not like he, you know, killed a deer or something.
Well, that was a wonderful introduction that you gave Hall of Famer Jimmy Valiant, the Boogie Woogie Man. He was going to list my accomplishments, but unfortunately we only had the gym for about 2 hours this evening. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, Boogie Valiant, Handsome Jimmy. I was really excited about this evening. I was looking forward to this opportunity to look you in the eye. You see, when I was growing up watching professional wrestling like many of these people were, the Valiant brothers, why, they were the show. They were the people that put butts in the arena. They were selling out Madison Square Garden. You guys were one up in Bruno Sammartino. I don't care what they say. I know who was selling out the butter, and it was the Valiant brothers. Captain Lou Albano, who's managed more tag teams than anybody, has said the Valiant Brothers are the greatest tag team of all time. They are the first tag team inducted into the WWE Hall of Fame. You are the Valiant Brothers. As a matter of fact, Luscious Johnny Valiant managed me, Leslie Leatherman, to my first heavyweight championship. That's a true story. So, I have to admit, I was looking forward to tonight. I was so excited about being here. Because as a kid growing up, I looked up to you. As a kid growing up, I thought that's what I want to be someday. But I'm not a kid anymore. You see, I'm a man. I'm Leslie Leatherman. I'm the Highwayman. I'm the greatest CPW champion that there's ever been. And I have all the respect in the world for you. But the fact is, Shane Shadows took it upon himself to make sure that I did not recapture that which I hold dear, which was my CPW Heavyweight Championship. He made sure that I did not get my fair shake, so to speak, when he was the special guest referee. When he crossed that line, he took away from me what I held dearest to my heart. So I decided I was going to take something so dear away from him. And that was his ability to perform in this sport that he loves so much. Now, I have all the respect in the world for the fact that you were a mentor to Shady Shadows, that you taught him everything that he knew. But when he stepped in the ring with Leslie Leatherman, he took what I loved, I took his career away like that. Shady Shadows' wrestling days are over. Just like your wrestling days are over. You are yesterday. Leslie Leatherman is the now. Leslie Leatherman is the present. Leslie Leatherman is the future of professional wrestling. And I love the fact that you better shut me that you're going to miss something. I love the fact that Shane Shadows following in your footsteps. But so help me God, when you called out Leslie Leatherman, maybe you want to follow in his. Maybe you want a matching hospital bed right next to the cripple that used to be Sexy Shane Shadows. Maybe that's why you really came to see Leslie Leatherman tonight. To see if you still got what it takes to maybe go with the big time.
Oh no, this is not right.
What do you say, Luscious Jimmy? What do you say? You want some of Leslie Leatherman?
I already said it. I just came here to say what I had to say, Letterman. I'm out of here. First thing's ever done.
Wait a minute! Jimmy Valiant! Protecting himself from Leatherman! Right hand and another right hand! Oh no! Leatherman goes to the eyes! Leatherman has Jimmy Valiant down!
Yeah, Valiant, sucker punching Leatherman like that. That's just disgraceful.
Wait a minute! That's Shane Shadows! Leatherman was going to pile drive Jimmy Valiant! And here's Shane Shadows! And Shane Shadows is in no condition to be here! He's in no condition to be fighting Leslie Leatherman!
Well, maybe, Leslie can get the job done this time.
I don't think, well, here come the referees. We have Jeff Cousins out here, we have Buddha, there's Pat Lawson. They can't stop them, they cannot keep these two away from each other. Here comes Callahan, that's not going to help.
Yeah, it looks like Cousins is already down.
And we're on the last one, referee, here comes Juice. Donatelli trying to get Shane out of there. Oh, Leatherman's coming right after him. The back is emptying out. We've got about a dozen people trying to keep Shane Shadows and Leslie Leatherman off of each other. I don't know what Shane Shadows thought he was doing coming out here. He couldn't take it. He didn't want to see Jimmy Valiant get hurt.
Well, again, Jimmy instigated that, so, Jimmy sure relied on his own.
Leslie Leatherman was going to pile drive Jimmy Valiant. He had him set up for the pile driver.